That's how it's done. Yo guys, what's happening? I hope you enjoyed that little montage I did there. So this is my new gun. It's a HOWA 243 bolt action rifle. I've had it for about going on 6 months now. So far probably put about 500 rounds through, and I'm very happy with it. Like, you know, it's never jammed up on me, never had any problems so far. So I thought I'd just give you guys a bit of a look at the gun. You'll probably be seeing it in a few upcoming videos soon. So this is it. It's gonna set you back about 800 bucks if you want to get one. I'm in Australia, so obviously you need a gun license in Australia. It's a bit of a process you have to go through. You're looking at about, I think mine took a little over 9 months just to do everything. You've got to join a club, then you've got to do the safety course. After the safety course, you put your paperwork in, and it takes weeks for it to come back. Then you send it again, and it takes a long time. It's a long process, but in my opinion, it's well worth it if you've got a passion for shooting like I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of the gun. It's pretty good. I've been really happy with it so far. I've only got one rifle, and I think this is a good all-round rifle to have, a 243 caliber. The bullets are a little bit pricey. You're looking at about $1.75 per bullet, so it is pretty pricey, but not quite as bad as some higher caliber rifles. And it's still got the power to take, say if you were to go hunting, it's got plenty of power to take big game out. So it's a very good all-round rifle, and I'm really happy with it so far. So yeah, you'll be seeing it in a few upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Check out my Facebook and Instagram. Facebook page is Project 4x4, and my Instagram is Mark J Official. It's all links in description, so yeah, go check them out. And yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for the watching, guys.